Artribion Vitamin soft gel supplements are the perfect alternative to over-the-counter pain relievers when it comes to treating pain and stiffness caused by rheumatism and arthritis. Each soft gel capsule contains natural vitamins and minerals that works to minimize inflammation and promote joint fluidity. This treatment may also help relieve pain and inflammation due to food conditions such as plantar fasciitis and sciatica when taken as directed. Active ingredients: vitamin B1, thiamine mononitrate, vitamin B6, pyridoxine hydrochloride, vitamin B12, cyanocobalamin. Indications: an anti-inflammatory that soothes the pain originating from sprains and tears, relieves rheumatism, torticollis, lumbago, sciatica, myalgia, neuritis and neuralgia. How to use: it is generally recommended to youth and adults. Take one capsule every 8 hours for 2 days in a row, then one capsule morning and night for 3 more days. Precautions: if you have hypersensitivity to the product or negative side effects, please discontinue consumption immediately and consult a doctor.